as you see, I have the yellow light of death problem. But there is a simple way to fix this. Just follow the simple instructions in this video. First, we're gonna need a big box. Second, unplug your PS3. And put it in the box. Flip it over and turn it around. It should look something like this. Third, we're gonna need a hairdryer. I'm using a 1400 watt hairdryer, and you're gonna wanna heat the PS3 for 15 minutes without stopping. So let's begin. So it's currently 12:13. So let's start up the hairdryer. I'm gonna do this for 15 minutes. Let's begin. I keep it away for about 2-3 inches away from the PS3 itself. Just slow motion, up and down. Keep moving. You want to aim directly into the feed vent. Okay, so we're at 7 minutes now, and it's getting pretty hot in there. The whole box is warmed up. The PS3 is getting hot. Okay, so we're currently at 28 minutes, and I'm gonna finish in about 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, that should do it. Okay, so I've been heating the PS3 for 15 minutes now, and after that you want to leave it for it to cool down. Okay, so I let the PS3 cool down for a couple of hours, and let's plug it in. HDMI power. Okay, and let's turn the screen. Huzzah. Okay. Source. HDMI. So, let's see if it works. Okay. And the moment of truth. It's working. So I hope this video helped you fix your PS3. Normally this repair costs around $100, and you can use that $100, I don't know, to buy a game or a nice headset. So I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.